Just something else we just noticed. I don't know if you can hear it. It stopped. The light actually makes a noise for blind people. But usually it's so loud here, you can't hear it at all. So I don't know how useful it is for blind people. But nice to know they've done something. Korea isn't the most handicap-friendly place, is it? They're getting better. I'll give them credit for that. But no, I've actually never noticed that light made noises until just now when it was so quiet. So it makes you wonder about the efficacy of the sound, since you can't hear it when it's busy. Oh well.